Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a meringue by hand only way. Begin by warming eggs to room temperature, then separate whites carefully into a dry, metal, or glass bowl. Use a whisk with a comfortable grip and steady wrist motion. Whisk in short, controlled bursts to build foam, then increase speed as soft peaks form. Add sugar gradually to reach glossy, stiff peaks and fold gently to preserve air. In this video, I will show how to make a meringue by hand only way. Position your bowl at a steady angle and use broad, consistent strokes with the whisk to incorporate air efficiently. Once soft peaks appear, begin adding sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking fully between additions so grains dissolve and the texture stays smooth. Continue until the mixture holds glossy, stiff peaks and no sugar grit remains on your fingers. In this video, I will show how to make a meringue by hand only way. If your meringue refuses to whip, inspect for fat contamination and restart with a spotless bowl and whisk. For whipping meringue, test for undissolved sugar and avoid overbeating, which breaks structure. A small pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of lemon juice can help stabilize the foam and improve resilience when baking or piping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.